learning about smart TVs. On the hunt for a new TV, Ian and Lisa visit an electronics store.
Hi there, looking for a new TV?
Yes, we are. There are so many choices though. Could you explain what a smart TV actually is?
Of course. A smart TV connects to the internet, so it lets you stream shows, watch YouTube, or even browse the web without needing extra devices.
So could a smart TV connect to our smartphones?
Absolutely. You can live stream videos, share photos, or even control the TV from your phone.
Cool. But we mostly just use Netflix and YouTube, so will those run smoothly?
Definitely. In fact, the major apps come pre-installed on most models.
Great. Are there any models in particular that you recommend?
This one comes with the Google TV system, delivers excellent picture quality, and is priced at $39,900 NT. This one is similar, but also includes special gaming features and costs $42,800 NT. Both have built-in Wi-Fi, but the gaming model uses slightly more electricity.
Well, we don't really play games, so I think we'll go with the first one.
Discussing purchase details, the clerk continues the conversation by explaining some installation options.
Just so you know, we offer professional installation for $1,200 NT. That includes delivery, setup, and connecting the TV to your Wi-Fi.
That sounds good. Is the TV in stock?
Yes, it is. So we could install it as soon as tomorrow.
Perfect. We'll take the installation service too then. Do you offer any payment plans?
Yes, we have 12, 24, and 36-month payment plans.
Okay, in that case, we'll take the 12-month plan.
Excellent. I'll set that up for you. The TV also comes with a 2-year manufacturer warranty. If you'd like, though, you can add a 3rd year of protection for $3,000 NT.
What does the extended warranty cover?
It covers any major repairs. Smart TVs can be expensive to fix, so it's a good option if you want extra peace of mind.
Considering that, we'll add the extended warranty too.
Great. I'll schedule your installation for tomorrow afternoon.
Wonderful. Thanks for your help.